So በሀሳብ ደረጃ ማለት ነው I was going to get a mic. I was gonna get a mic, you guys, for our vlogs, but then this is terrible. Is this better? I think he shut up. So I was gonna get a mic for the vlog, but I many reasons. Anyway, so I have to do the transition and then blah blah blah, kaza I will film it for you guys. And I think it will be good. It'll be a fun vlog. You can see the transformation from this to a princess. It's so weird that I'm just standing out here talking to myself and there's people and they're like, is she okay? And I'm like, yeah, I'm creating content. Anyways, so Brooke makeup studio name it. I was Morning Star Mall to sign up. Because there's makeup in and Luzina. I liked it and I know the guy. Brooke the guy. So we're doing that. And hopefully it will be a good time. I will it's always like you never know. You know what I mean? You're like fingers crossed, but you can't be 100% with like dates and them the result and stuff. So fingers crossed. He has a girl. He has a month film so she's I feel like I'm nervous. I don't know why. It's always weird when you film yourself. And if you're used to filming yourself, you never know, because you can't really see even you can't. It's embarrassing. I laugh. Hopefully today I'll be chill and cool and not weird and but I'll make some transitions of my own. I was going to look them up because I want to get some transition audios on TikTok. Before and after አይነት vibe ማለት ነው. Isn't that nice? Okay. I probably don't want that in the intent, but I think that'll be cute. And then, okay, I can save this sound at your favorites. Tell me. You don't need to see this. It's not that interesting. But anyways, I'll just try to film every single step and not forget. Okay. Love you. Bye. Why am I saying bye? You got that. But like, until the next clip. Peace and love. You get it. Okay. So I think transition video took I think I made like 4 or 5. Cause I filmed my TikTok cause like it's a vlog type situation cause I'm getting my hair done. I want to keep everybody informed and entertained. I took my sweater off because it was hot as hell. And I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed to film, literally. And I'm always like, it's hard for me personally because I'm very used to creating content in my house. Which is dumb. Am I trying to make money or am I trying to be embarrassed? You have to choose a struggle. I choose to struggle with everything. So we're just waiting for the girl to come. She's not here. Maybe I want to get something, but it just makes me anxious. So maybe that's not a good idea. But I don't know. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Decisions. All of them wrong. I totally forgot. Sorry, guys. Hi. Brooke, hi, Bel.
Hi.
Many yarak kanohon. Marat Aichilim, he's bleaching my hair. And I look like a grandpa. Abuse. And I had a brachu, foil yet hold on.
So much as by the way,
ከባድ ነው አለማክሮ እዩት ተመስጦ ዋው ብሩክ አብሮን እዩት amazing so busy you guys I'm sorry this is all we're getting for today
does it
you're like being super sexy vibes like that
it's very good that's why you want to like
like that that's all
you know ማለት ነው ለሰማው
there's nothing to say I'm just showing people the steps so before ተደርጌ ይጠበቁኝ ነው thank you I think that's it I can't say anything. I'm sorry that I'm so shitty at making vlogs you guys all in also I'm like are people here ያልኩም ሰራው but so far እዚህ ጋር የደረስነው my natural color and ጫፍ ላይ የነበረው brown ነገሩ lift ተደርጓል so ያው bleach ተደርጓል ማለት ነው ከዛ በኋላ I'm gonna wash and then next steps ይቀጥላል so far so good I mean ብሩክን በሳይመን አውቀዋለሁኝ you guys might not I mean I know him በፊትም ቢሆን so we know each other so you know it's a comfortable great fun environment yeah so I'm very excited to see your name is Majasha very very excited I keep touching it ቅድም ላይ ማኪያቶ እንደደፋው ነገርኳችሁ let me show you yeah so I'm a gross messy girl I'm embarrassed I'm not proud of this but it is what it is it is what it is yeah but all together a good time but I'm ብዙ አይሸትም the bleach የሆነ brand ነው አለኝ I don't know Fan Touch or some shit Fanola I don't know this one ማለት ነው and the smell is not that bad normally bleach ሽታ በጣም bother ያደርጋል የምታውቁ ከሆነ ተቀብታችሁ it's very strong but this is not that bad and yeah I'm having a good time
እስኩ ምናምን ግን የኛ ኦሬንጅ በሁለት ቁጥር ይጣፋል ገባሽ
አጥቼ መከራዬ ነው
አይካቱልኝ
እዚህ ጋር ፈኮኛ ለዩቲዩበር ለሰብስክራይበሮቼ የነገርኩ ነው ብሩክ አንተ እንደሰማኝ አውቃለሁ የደገምኩልህ አይደል አያችሁ I was so embarrassed stop I look so weird stop
ብሩኬ
YouTube and we're going to ask you questions እሺ ምንድን ነው ያደረገው እስካሁን
መጀመሪያ ልጅ ከፋ
ኦኬ ቶነር ምንድን ነው
ቀለሙን ፔኔትሬት ያደርጋል አሁን የምንፈልገው ቀለም ይሄ ነው ዲፖዚት ያደርጋል
እሱ ብቻ አስገቢው
እሺ ዲፖዚት ስላደረግን ሲጨርስ ያው
ዲፖዚት ምንድን ነው ብር ማስገባት ባንክ ውስጥ
ፀጉር ውስጥ የከፈትነው ፀጉር ውስጥ ዲፖዚት ማድረግ ማለት ነው
ፀጉር ይከፍታል
መክፈት ነው ስራው ዝናት ካል
ኦኬ
ሶ ማዘጋጃ ነው እንጂ ቀለም አይደለም ብዙ ጊዜ የሚሸወዱ ብዙ ቦታ ቀለም ብሎ ነው በዛ የሚልኩሽ ያ ማለት ፕሪኬጅ አለው መነቃቀል አለው ምናምን ይሄ ግን ምን ማለት ኢፌክት የለውም ፐርፌክት
ለዳራ ይሄን ይመስላል
ችግር አለብሽ እንዳት
waiting በሳይናል but no I'm hungry I'm tired ብሩክ ምግብ አዝዝ ብሎ እየዋሸኝ ነው እስካሁን ምግብ አልመጣም ሰውን ማመን ይልካል ሰውን ማመን ከባድ ነው and I look so ugly but this is so pretty stay tuned for more
የሆነ ነገር እንጨምር እንዴ
ራስ መጀመሪያ
So I'm not proud of this, but I totally forgot to film kazi buhala alone for YouTube. Like, you know, midroy palo. Landscape no palo? Wada go na rigi mala no. So, I'm sorry, but this is just what happened. Kazi buhala የተለየ ነገር የለውም. It's just ታጣበ ተጠቀለለ ትላላችሁ ታጣጣሉ ብዙ የቀረባችሁ ነገር የለም. I have so many clips ብታዩ ከዚህ በኋላ ያለውን for TikTok, but none for YouTube. So I'm sorry. This is what I meant. Vlogging is very attention የሚጠይቅ ነገር. There's no such thing as being in the moment. And me, I'm always in the moment, you know? Anyways, yeah. We just did a little bit of እንትን ይሄ ምድር ይባሉ አምጡልኝ ምን አይባል ትራንዚሽን ሰራን ከብሩኬ ጋር ከዛ በኋላ yeah this is the end result. Thank you for watching. Love you. And subscribe, like, comment, and let me know any feedback that you have, even though it hurts me a little bit. Okay, so I just got home. I think clip ያለኝ ይመስለኛል ግን እርግጠኛ አይደለሁም. Someone else was filming for me ትንሽ. So this is the color. I'm very happy with it. I'm tired. I'm like not ማለት በቃ ቀኑ ሙሉ ውጭ ስላልኩኝ my energy is very low right now. I think my eyes are like super dark. I think but anyways ትንሽ ሶር ላርጋችሁ መሀል ላይ እንደው I don't know. So this is the end result. I really like it. ከመጀመሪያ ጀምሮ ፀጉሬን ቀለም መቀባት ሳስብ ጀምሮ ማለት ነው እንደዚህ አይነት ነገር ነበር መቀባት የምፈልገው like ሌላ ከለር because ሽበት ስላለኝ ዞሮ ሽበቱ ሲወጣ እንትን እያለው መውጣቱ አይቀርም you know like it's just not pretty. And then as much as I don't want to think about my gray hairs ማለት ነው and ያለ መጥላቴን ያህል እኔ አልጠላውም honestly. I know everybody's like oh no I love it but if you asked me ቢኖርሽ ይሻልሻል ሽበት ወይስ ባይኖረኝ ይሻለኛል obviously but አልጠላውም አላ like oh I hate this so much ነው የምለው ነገር አይደለም ግን እኔ በወደውም ብጠላውም people love to bring it up and as much as I wish I wasn't affected by the people around me I am and so like you know bother ያደርገኛል like እንዴት ነው ሽበት ችግሩ ምን እንደሆነ ታውቃላችሁ እየተሰራችሁና የሁሌ ያስተካከላችሁ ፀጉራችሁ ምናምን ከሆነ you're fine ግን when you let yourself go when you're like oh sorry I don't want to fix my hair ወይንም ሹሩባ ተሰርታችሁ ሳምንት ወይንም 2 ሳምንት ሲያልፈው it's like so it's just you know what I mean. I'm sorry this light is not very good but so yeah እና በዛ ይሄ ቀለሙ ሲወጣም blend እንዲያደርግ ስለሆነ የምፈልገው this color አሁን it's probably እንግዲህ አብረን እናየዋለን እንትን የሚለው ነገር አይደለም you know like እየወጣ ሲሄድ ሽበቱን የበለጠ እንድጠላው ያደርገው ወይንም like የበለጠ noticeable ሆኖ weird እንዲሆን አያደርገው ብዬ አስባለሁ አብረን የምናየው ይሆናል so like yeah I'm very happy with it. I feel like I don't know I feel cute. I feel like I don't feel like anything but I'm happy. I feel like what a white person and is that something to be happy about? I don't know. So yeah I'm just glad that ስፈልገው የነበረው ቀለም ስለሆነልኝ and like oh my god y'all I'm gonna have a good time with this. So thank you for watching and I hope I have enough at least 3-4 ደቂቃ 5 ደቂቃ 6 ደቂቃ 10 ደቂቃ ቢሆን hopefully ይሞላና እናየዋለን. Love you guys.